More story. And how? Look, see a Ruben. Oh.
Good job, Ruben. Come on. Let's go into the living room.
Mine. And this is mine.
Okay.
And this is mine.
Sure. Show Auntie Tit how to be a pirate.
No.
You know why? Where did Daddy go? Christian, where did Daddy go? What's that for sale?
That's like how to work at Pizza Hut.
It has to work on Pizza Hut? Oh, wow. So what are you going to do if the other kids scare you in their Halloween costume? What are you going to do?
Yeah, and make them everyone scary tree and say I go on you star.
All
and
right.
Make a scary tree.
You're going to make them into a scary tree?
Yes, and be in the flying car and then both in my.
These are scenes from
car.
Harry Potter, The Chamber of Secrets. If you let him talk about it long enough, he'll start to go over scenes. What about Ruben? How's he gonna scare the other kids? Halloween. Hey, does Ruben smell good? Huh? And cheese! Cheese! Stop spitting!